Phone collector the plug.
Real hot girl shit.
Real ass bitch, give a
Hot
fuck.
Barbie
about a
summer.
nigga.
What Juicy say?
Real,
He like,
real ass bitch,
Don't
give a
run
fuck.
from
About a
me,
nigga.
pretty.
real ass nigga give a fuck about it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be installing this bomb wig from Evil Wigs Company. I am wearing a 13x6 curly wig. I don't have the exact curl pattern listed in the video, but if you check my description box, you guys will click the exact link that's in my bio to purchase this wig. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm just taking my lace glue. I'm going to be splitting up the hair in 3 parts. So I'm going to do the top middle part first, and then I'm going to go left to right. And I'm only putting 2 layers of glue. So now that the glue has finally dried out, I'm just going to begin tapping that into my lace. And as you guys can see, well, into my skin and lace, whatever. As you guys can see, this is melting pretty well. So I'm now going ahead and I'm just going to be doing my corner pieces now. The top piece is already laid down, and I'm just going to begin by doing my first layer on my left side, and I'm going to do the same thing to my right side. So now I'm just basically tapping everything in, and I'm lifting up the pieces. Is there any pieces that aren't glued down all the way? I'm just making sure they get glued down. You guys always want to make sure that there are no hairs laying on your glue, and that your glue all the areas in the beginning of the lace, all the rims and areas like that are fully glued down. If not, your lace will lift up faster. It will not look fully blended and melted, and your baby hairs will lift up when you brush them into position. Now I'm just going ahead and adjusting my middle part, and I was going to do a side part at first, but this is a lace front. So I'm just going to thug it out and do the middle part. I haven't had a pretty middle part in a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and begin on my baby hairs. I'm using a small baby hairs toothbrush that you can purchase from your local beauty supply store. I do also have them on sale on my website. So make sure you guys check out my website for these edges toothbrushes. Anyways, I'm just taking a small thin piece, and I'm going to be taking, my razor is not sharp, so I'm going to use some scissors, and I just cut straight down like I would be cutting layers basically. And I'm going to be using my She's Bomb Goo Gel, and that is what's getting these baby hairs together. I'm not going to lie to y'all, this hair was so pretty, and the baby hairs felt so pretty. Like, I loved this wig, and I love how the hair on this wig was. And I did bleach the knots on this as well, because you guys will ask in the description. Yes, the knots were bleached. So right now, as you guys can see, I pulled out a piece of my baby hair, and I'm basically plucking that out. I'm just plucking it out to make it thinner so it can have a more natural look to it, and a more Spanishy, you know, little curly baby hairs look. Okay, the cars outside are rude. So I'm going to go ahead and basically continue my same routine with my baby hairs. I'm just going to continue doing the same thing I was doing, and I'll come back once my baby hairs are finished. So now that I'm just about finished with my baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry them out. And I'm going to be blow drying them with my blow dryer, and I am using cool settings. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep readjusting my part until I feel like it's in the middle. And I'm also taking my hot comb and I'm just using that to flatten out my hair so it has a nice flat, clean look. So now that I've just about finished basically adjusting my part, I'm going to take some hair mousse and I'm just rubbing that all through my hair. I'm actually not going to wet these curls. I'm just taking my Nairobi mousse and my Lotta Body mousse and I'm mixing those together and basically teasing out my hair this way. I really love the puffy look that it gives. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys check out Eva Wigs for some nice, bomb, affordable, quality hair wigs. Comment down below some looks you guys want me to try. Comment down companies as well. Bye!